Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy jalapeno dip. Very simple dip, kind of spicy. I'm going to start with some sour cream. And here I've chopped up a jalapeno really small. So this is one jalapeno, and I'm going to go ahead and use the whole thing because if you're making a jalapeno dip, it might as well be spicy. I'm going to add some chili powder, and I'm using the mild chili powder just because it has so much flavor besides the heat. It's nice to get some of that in there. A little bit of salt, and then just a little bit of lime juice. And there you have a creamy jalapeno dip.